Judge, today's time day for sentencing in this matter. Let's see, I met with Zach a couple days ago. We went over the pre-sentence report. There, as far as I know, no additions or corrections to be made. I would just ask that the court have some considerations as the fines and costs, because my client is indigent.
Are these the only things he's locked up on, or?
I have circuit court to deal with, but they're giving me a year with 8 months credit, I believe, if I'm correct, with Judge Patrick Collins Jr. And I just have
He's got to also complete the Dawn Farm program.
Yes, that's perfect.
Which he hasn't started yet, so it's going to be a little bit.
And Teresa Blair on behalf of probation, Your Honor, it's my understanding from the circuit court deal that is correct, that they are recommending, he has a violation of probation hearing, I believe that's on June 12th, that they are recommending the year. However, he does have a large credit. Mr. Burlett did ask in this case, I mean, this is a year-long case, he wouldn't have that much time. He is asking for probation and to do treatment. That therefore the recommendation is provided from probation as such.
All right.
I also have a ticket to deal with on the 5th, I believe, as well, but that
On Wednesday? Before me?
I think so. On June 5th, I think it is.
What's the ticket for?
Give false information to a police officer.
I don't think our PD represents you on that.
And that is correct, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because, okay, who represents you on your circuit court matters?
Judge Feaster.
Torshio Feaster.
He's in good hands. He's in good hands. Wait, don't lie. You're in good hands with Torshio.
Yeah, no, you are.
The judge will attest to that.
We've just been seeing you all over the news lately, so it's an honor to be here today.
I got that video's gone viral. I mean,
And CMC as well last night. Oh boy. I promise not to take your signature to eBay.
That's the first time I heard. Yeah, I haven't heard that one before, but okay. Mental note, don't sign anything. All right. Okay, sir.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Anything you want to tell the court before I oppose that?
Yes. I mean, due to consideration, I pled no contest. I just truly believe that, when I was with Home and New Vision, I made quite a bit of progress in my recovery for the first time ever. And I see where I made my mistakes, my recovery, what I shouldn't have done. And my sponsor, he wanted me to come down to Tennessee and be with him, but due to the consideration that I really believe I needed to continue the structure, multiple eyes on me that, it'd be healthy for me to stay here. I do have a decent relationship in the recovery community here. And again, I did make progress, but I see where I made my mistakes at. It's no one's fault. I put myself in danger in my recovery. You get what I'm saying? So with that, I'm thankful that that my agent, she recognized, she listened to what I had to say.
Ms. Valera?
Yes. And instead of
She listened to you?
Yeah.
I'm shocked. Go ahead.
Instead of just taking the easy way out, of doing the time, I felt that it was necessary to keep the structure. Bless you.
Wow. I mean, God bless you.
I felt the need that keeping that structure did help a lot, and I was hoping they take into consideration that I would do the Dawn Farms program in jail and be released to a treatment again to Home and New Vision. They provided everything I need.
I think he believes that if he gets sentenced today to that, he will move up on the list and he'll get into Dawn Farms a lot quicker.
And I would, as well as hoping you could put me on the list for Dawn Farms.
So you can get, okay. All right. And, okay. And I get it, Mr. Burlett, because what you did is, I guess with everything else pending, knowing what your sentence is in circuit, you probably could have just said, just sentence me to time and then I'll just be done. And the very fact that you wanted probation says something about you and where you want to go. So let's see if we can try to get you there. Okay. On the DB second charge, place you on probation for a period of 24 months. You are to pay $655 fines and court costs, $720 probation oversight fees. I'm going to indicate as arranged by probation. I understand the request that you made, Mr. Kellewald. But I'm just going to indicate that's to be arranged by probation. Ms. Polera, I don't have any issue with coming to the court. And once he's out, as he maintains his sobriety, lessening it over time. So you can earn your way out of those monies. How about that?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Also with Home Division, when they provide the counseling stuff, they also provide drug testing. I already told her I will sign everything off, so that way she will get information with no problems.
I have no problem. I have no doubt that you're going to cooperate with us. Because you know what happens if you don't cooperate with me, right?
See you back and hopefully not on Fox News with you.
Man. No, it's okay. No, I deserved that. I deserved it.
Anyway,
There's to be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You're to complete a domestic violence program as directed by probation. Complete residential substance abuse treatment, including all aftercare recommendations with status reports to probation. You're to complete a mental health assessment, follow all treatment recommendations, including medication protocol. There's to be no contact with Jessica Rohan or Jennifer Johnson directly or indirectly. No going to the residence or employment of those individuals. You are not to assault, terrorize, frighten, intimidate, threaten, harass, molest, or stalk anyone. You are not to possess any weapons, firearms, ammunition, or anything fashioned to be a weapon. You are to report to probation as requested by probation, including any home visits. You're to comply with all circuit court orders. So the review hearing, that's to be held September 9th, 2024 at 1 p.m. I'll order 365 days in jail, credit 49 served. You remain in custody until direct release to residential treatment, and then the balance is suspended. I'll do it on the other two then, I think. So that's on that kind. On count two, $50 statutory fees, 93 days in jail, credit 49 days served, defendant to serve the balance, defendant as part of that sentence to defendant to complete in jail Dawn Farm program. On count three, the malicious destruction of a building less than $250 statutory fee, 93 days in jail, credit 49, defendant to serve the balance, and also on that count, defendant to serve the in jail or to complete the in jail Dawn Farm program.
Judge, just a couple points of clarification. It sounds to me on count 1, on 2, and 3 that if he completes probation or is doing well, the probation department has discretion for fines and costs.
What I'm indicating is that, and how I've done it sometimes with certain people, and this seems like a good candidate, that as he continues his sobriety, we will be looking at waiving some of those fines and court costs so that that doesn't become clearly an impediment for him.
Okay, and the last question is on number 15. Okay, he's got to serve 49 days, credit 49 days. It says to be released to treatment, but on counts 2 and 3, you want him to complete I assume that's correct, the jail sentence, so he can do the in-dawn jail program
I want him to do the in jail Dawn Farm program.
the class.
prior to the
Right,
release.
and then he
After,
can still be released. We can work all of that out, but he wanted to get up on the list to be able to do that.
do the class, and then once the class is complete, then
There's,
afterwards, I would be released.
correct.
Okay, tell me that later, then I'll write it down. Thanks, Judge. I appreciate it.
No, he
No.
understood what we were
So
doing.
I understood it.
It's okay, Mr. Kellogg. That's what happens when you show up late.
Okay,
It's hard.
You have a nice day.
Thank you. 14A stands in recess.
The court began Zachary's sentencing hearing by reviewing his probation report and pending circuit court matters. His attorney explained that Zach is indigent and requested consideration regarding fines, while probation confirmed he has a violation pending and is recommended for a year-long sentence with significant credit time. When given the chance to speak, Zach described the progress he made during treatment and how structure and accountability have helped his recovery for the first time. He admitted his mistakes and expressed a strong desire to continue treatment, rather than simply serve his time. Impressed that Zach chose probation and rehabilitation over the easy way out, the judge placed him on 24 months of probation, required substance abuse treatment, domestic violence counseling, mental health evaluation, random testing, and issued strict no contact and no weapon orders. The judge imposed 365 days in jail, with 49 days of credit, but suspended the remainder upon his completion of the in-jail Dawn Farm program, after which he will be released directly into residential treatment. Additional misdemeanor counts received. Similar sentences with credit and treatment requirements. The judge noted that if Zach maintains sobriety, probation may reduce or waive some fines. The hearing ended with Zach remaining in custody until his transfer to treatment.